Hi guys, and welcome to the first episode of Shay's Arcade. Today I'm going to be playing Star Wars Hunters for you. It's a mobile game. It's just come out on mobile. You can get it in the App Store or I think all major App Stores. And basically it's a arena game, a little bit like the Call of Duties and stuff like that. But obviously Star Wars based. There's lots of different characters. They've got different abilities, and basically I'll explain the rest of it as we play along. So yeah, first game, let's go. We'll go casual to start off with. There's quite a few different players in there, quite a few different characters. Again, I'll explore those with you as we play along, the ones that I've unlocked at least anyway. What game mode have we got? ABC, right, point capture, what's it called? Way Station. At Mos Espa this time. We'll go with, let's go with Groz. Groz is a tank Wookiee character who wields two clubs. This is the rest of our team. We've got Sentinel, can't remember the name of the sniper, and I can't remember the name of the two dudes on top of each other there. So basically we've got to capture, there's 3 points, we need to capture as many as possible, at least 2, and hold them for as long as possible. And you can see the capture points at the top there, it's a percentage bar. And that would be the way we earn points in this particular game mode. I'm going to see if I can capture point B. Oh, I'm already got stunned. Come on, let's get the capture. Right, we've got point B. There's nothing else. I'm also getting absolutely destroyed. But, yeah, eliminated straight up. Right, so as you can see, as I run around, there's got these little health points. So if I'm low on health, I can collect that and get more health. And if I want this, energy, it adds energy to my ultimate, which is that little circle you can see at the bottom, above my health bar. And that ultimate, when I'm Groz, is a massive rolling rock that knocks characters down, damages them and stuns them for a while, so it's rather good. As I say, there's lots of other characters in here. But currently, I'm playing a counter character of Groz. This is Sentinel that we're going against here. Stun me, the clone character, is about to kill me, I think. So you can see what I've used there as a health boost. Looks like I'm going to die anyway. Apparently my character wasn't going to hit him for some reason. But yeah, so on the side there, we've got at the top, produces that, knocks characters down, stuns them and damages them. We've got charge, which does this. Charges me into the character, knocks them down, damages them. Just showing you what he does at the minute. Got our ultimate as well, so I'll use that in a second. And the third one, which I don't need to use just yet, makes me do this kind of like warfare type thing. It boosts my health up, I use now, and allows me to do more damage and stay in the match for longer. You can see that with my ultimate rolling around. I'm getting destroyed by that character. Okay, my squad's got it. I don't usually play this guy. I usually play Sentinel or someone, which is the same character. But our team seems to be winning, just about, at least. See if we can keep it up. I will take you through the other characters as well as we go along. Vengeance. That's right. Now we've got point capture. Whoa, I got stunned by my own rookie guy. Both of us fighting against each other here now. This is going to be a bit brutal. Yes! Take that. And we win.
Mudhorns are the victor.
So there's our first match as a win. With point capture. That was Groz. Let's see if we get anything for it. Third on the team that time. No character levels up or anything this time. So I'll take you through some different game modes. The next one we'll play is Control, which is in the events section here on the left. Now the events change every few days. You can see there's 2 hours 47 minutes left of this particular event in Control, and then it will switch to something else. Events is quite good because sometimes they do an event called Matchup, where if you haven't got characters that you've unlocked, it might randomly give you that character to play anyway, so you get to test them out, which is quite cool. So this is similar to the point capture one we just did, except there we go, we got Sentinel this time. Except in this one we've got just 1 point that we're trying to keep ahead of, not 3. So I'm a damage character this time, not a tank. So Sentinel's got a shield, a minigun kind of looking thing, as you can see, minigun blaster. The circle with lines coming off of it is kind of like a knockdown. The other one there's a hit, there's the knockdown lock, that's the knockdown. And then the other one there is a shield, which I'll use when we get into battle. The ultimate at the bottom is backup shoots. So here we go, put the shield on. Only downside of the shield is you can't run, you can only walk when using it. But it's still decent. In the middle of pod races there, that was a bit dangerous, didn't want to get hit by them. Whoa. Getting hit from behind there as well. But yeah, Sentinel's probably my best character personally. Looks like the other team's going to capture the point. Ooh, come on, continue contesting it. No.
The point is taken by the Gundarks.
Right, if we can, there's an awful lot of their team here right now. Ooh. Need to try and get some heals if we can get some heals. It's not heals, but we'll take it anyway. Oh, I got hit by a pod racer. Should be more careful. Well, yeah, I need to get to 50 subs if I can to be able to live stream games. And if there's any other games that you'd like to see, then do let me know, and I will see if I can oh, wow. That's embarrassing. I'll see if I can download them and play them for you. I will also be playing War Thunder, as that's one that I've got downloaded already.
Mudhorns are halfway to victory.
It's quite a fun game.
Gundarks need to find another team.
But yeah, as I say, here we go. We've got our ultimate reinforcement. Which means we get extra flames to back us up in the fight. Although it looks like I just got flames from behind. I'm not going to
Right
yell
from
here.
under their noses.
Gundarks are halfway home.
There's a ranked mode as well, which we'll play after this, which I think I'm currently on bronze 3 or something like that. I usually play a bit better than what I'm doing.
Mudhorns in control.
The other team is not bad. Oh, pod races. Come on. Looks like we're going to win the... Oh, I say looks like we're going to win the match just as
Mudhorns
they
are
go
nearing
take
the
the
victory.
point. Look.
The point is taken by the Gundarks.
Fingers crossed we're going to win the match.
And it's gone
We'll
to
see.
the other squad.
Time for some fireworks.
Yield the game.
Downed.
Suppressing fire.
Not so low. Far too many of them. Come on, if we can win the point back,
Gundarks
then
are
we've got
moving
it.
in. Come on, Mudhorns.
The match is slipping away, Mudhorns.
Come on. No, we've lost it. Oh, it's an overtime.
Not personal.
Can we win it in overtime? I don't think we're going to. I'm down there now. I'm going to continue trying though. Oh, I'm down. No, come on. No, we've
This
lost.
one goes to the
Good game.
Gundarks.
Good game. GG.
And it's the Gundar.
Team Mudhorns.
Quick shout out to my partner company at the moment. I'm with Wraith Energy. They do healthy styled energy drinks. So if you're looking for something a little bit healthier than your average energy drink, then check out Wraith. They do some awesome flavours. I put a couple of them up on the screen for you to see. So close to leveling them up then. At least we got some XP rewards. Nice, some crystals. Can help to buy stuff in the shop. But yeah, Wraith Energy. Lots of different flavours, as I've probably just put up on the screen. And they're a healthier alternative to your regular energy drink. They come in powdered form, and if you want to get them for even cheaper, then you can by using code all caps DDSHAY. That's DDSHAY. You'll get them for 10% off using my particular code for you there. So check them out. Great for gamers, adventurers, or just anyone who enjoys an energy drink for anything that they like to do. Much healthier alternative, and I believe they're sugar free. Right, let's get on with another game. Now this time I reckon we'll use a different character, a different ranked. Play a bit of the ranked, see where we're at with it. As I say, I think we're on about bronze 3. So our next level up will be like bronze 2, something like that. Silver 1, sorry, I think. Not bronze 2. So yeah, we'll play some rank. I picked one of the healer classes this time. I've done a tank class and a damage class. I haven't done a snipe class yet for you though. I'm no good really with those on this so far. Still got to learn them. But yeah, we've got a healer class this time. I've got a new character. I think they're called Cora or something like that. So we'll use those. I've only used them once or twice. They've got a couple interesting abilities. If you aim your gun at a friend, it shoots them, but it heals them. If you aim it at an enemy, it shoots them and hurts them. I've also got this is the one here. Yeah, Scorer. Sorry, not Cora. I've got this ability where they can hyper run, and then the ultimate is like a massive haste grenade type thing, which I think poisons the other team if they run into it, sort of thing. Let's see how we go. What one's this? Is this another point capture? see if we can try and get a team deathmatch next go. It's a little bit random sometimes. So we'll have to see how we go with it, really. See if we can sneak around the edge a bit here. Whoa! And when you're good with a snipe class, you can do that. Pick up some energy as we run around. Oh. No good, no good. I was going to try to get the point capture. Oh, we've already got that 3-point capture. So sending it. Okay, sweet. So here I'm going to... I know he's got that fire power on me, so I was going to try to keep him alive.
Reinforcements have arrived. On the right.
Yeah, so this is my first video for you guys. Hopefully, first of many.
Sorry, but it's supposed to hurt.
Put the house down.
Bijusku.
Okay, there's another guy down.
Don't worry, you're not
That's
alone.
3 in a row, that's not too bad, eh? Yeah, he got me. So he's gold. You can see by his avatar that he's already gold rank. Heal up. Oh! And it's dead. It's still there. Reload. Oh!
A double elimination.
2 down. How many go?
I had no chance there. It looks like someone on my team's run around the other side to try and get their C point. See if we can try to keep our guy alive. Definitely playing as a support character more than anything here, you see. We get the B point. And we've cut the C point. We're winning, but it is a close game. Ooh, that flamethrower is dangerous. No. Need to use my wand. That's that hyper run. As you can see, it's very helpful. See if I can get this heal when it recomes. I've already healed up. Sweet. Let's go. Back into the flow of it. Oh gosh. No. Hyper run. Yeah. I had a small sides one. Oh no, they've nearly got us as well. I think they've beaten us.
How many go?
Yeah, they've got us in this one, look.
Clear the flame.
We tried. Defeat. Action based though, not bad, that's fun. So this would be the next character we unlock for them you can see on screen. I think it's a Droid Jedi or something like that. Quite interesting. Right, we want to try get Team Deathmatch, whether we will or not, I'm not sure. Yes, there we go, this is the Team Deathmatch show. Then I've played all styles for you in our first video. There's one of the sniper style characters. I did say I was going to try it, even though I'm not that great.
This is Vex's house.
Boom. This will probably be my last game for this video.
You get eliminated, your opponent scores.
So I can shoot assault rifle style, or if I zoom in, which is kind of like one of my abilities, it uses that. It becomes a sniper kind of rifle style thing. So this game's all about just killing as many as you can, this mode. The rocket which I just used and the ultimate is like loads of heat-seeking missiles or homing missiles of some sort. What are you doing now, Storm?
I always get my mark. It's not personal. This is gonna hurt.
Onwards are halfway to
We're hopefully getting this game. This game we're doing quite well, right? Actually, it's not doing too bad. There we go, just sent a homing rocket and missile into them. So that's the character I was playing as last. And this person is a bit tricky to shoot. Take that.
Fireworks. Those who I guess.
lighting fit again.
And that was the ultimate within the missiles. Oh, where are you going? You jumped right over there. Don't you dare try run away from me.
I always get my mark. Down for the quick run.
Oh, I missed with my missile, no.
It's not personal.
Team
We
Onward
win, get in.
Gun guards with the law.
Bit of a shaky start to today's gaming video, but we ended up pulling it off in the end. Did a few good matches. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And yeah, so again, check out Wraith Energy, and that's all caps DD Shay, DDFHAY for 10% off. So yeah, signing off, Shay's okay. I'll be catching you guys in the next one.